Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? Yes, I have a book haul, a little one, little book haul. I went to a thrift shop tonight and grabbed up some books. Those of you know, you know. Those of you don't, well, I love to read. I'm a very avid reader. Um, so yeah, anytime I can snatch up some good books, whether thrift store or garage sales, thrift books. I love thrift books. I do. I do. Anyway, I grab them up. You will usually find me if I'm not diamond painting anymore. Um, I usually got a book in my hand. Here, let you spend diamond painting. But yeah, no, I got to go for reading 30 books this year, and so some of these books right here are gonna be on my TBR. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, here's the first book. This is out of the normal for me, the Sea Queen. Uh, when I pick a book, guys, either it's by an author that I've read and I really like their books, or most of the time it's the title or the cover or both. And with this, it was both. Not sure I'm going to like this book, but I'm going to read it anyway and see what it's about. I might like it, you never know. So, this is a hardcover. Little embossing going on there. So usually I go for softback because they don't hurt when you fall asleep. But you know, I'll deal with hardback. I have a lot of hardcover books too. So anyway, I got this one. I don't know what it's about. I have no idea. Um, I have no idea. And they got a lot of words I don't know. So hey, I'll read it. I'll let you know what I think about it, and I'm gonna do some of those videos too. So little book reviews of some of the books I've read. So there's that one. One of the other ones I got is this one here, The Girl Who Survived. It is a mystery thriller. That's how I'm describing it. I think it's just a thriller. Nonetheless, I got this one here. Again, I want to look at the cover. Nothing special. Blank cover. But that's all right. So the title got me, and I've read some of Lisa Jackson's before. I believe I have. Um, so I had to get this one and try it out and see if I like it. So the other one I got is Tell No One, mystery thriller. I love mystery thriller books. Uh, I'm pretty eclectic with the books that I read. I have some that I won't read because it's like westerns. I can't read westerns. I don't know why. So I tend to shy away from them. So there's that. But I got this one here. Can't wait to read this one. I love the title. Again, that's what got me. So it will be put on my TBR. Now this one here, I was pretty happy to find. It is a trilogy. So when you go to a thrift shop, or usually a thrift shop, and you find the whole set, that's pretty spectacular because that never happens. At least to me, it never happens. So I've been wanting to read this for a while. I don't know why I haven't picked it up. I can't even give you an answer for that because I don't know. I think this was a TV series. Um, I could be wrong. I could be. I don't think I am. But anyway, don't matter. Okay, don't matter. I'm gonna read it. So I was pretty excited to see all three all together in the uh, in the thrift store. So book 1, 2, and 3. Love the covers. Covers pretty cool. Um, but this one here I kind of knew what it was about, before uh, I even picked the books up. So each one of these books were 98 cents a piece, which was pretty fan freaking tastic. Because books can be expensive and some of them are worth it, some of them not so much. So I was pretty happy to score the books that I scored tonight. Again, I have a goal of 30 books this year, and that's what I want to do. I want to read all 30 books and meet my goal. And I also want to do some book reviews, like I said. So um, the books that I'm waiting to come in is Fourth Wing. That series, I really want to read it, and my daughter is the fault for that. I got the first two coming from the library, and the third one I'll get to read it from the library as soon as it comes in. So, but the book I'm reading now is this one here. Deion Sanders, one of my favorite football player of the Cowboys. Love this guy, not just because he played for the Cowboys, but he's just absolutely amazing. He's so inspiring and uplifting. His stories just just really grabs you. God has done some amazing things for this man, and I'm so excited to read this. So that one, and then the one I'm reading after that, if maybe reading after that, but it is on my TBR. I've read this one before, and it's Child of the Silent Night. It's the Laura Bridgman story, and she was deaf, blind, mute, and she opened up a school for individuals that are deaf, blind, and mute to help them. So I read this back in Spring Garden, I think it was. Yeah, Spring Garden. Yeah, and I wore that book out so much they just gave it to me. So, and I lost it. I don't know what happened to it. So I ordered this off a thrift book. It's a pretty rough state, but anyway, I'll be reading that one next. It's a quick read. It's not a thick book at all. So anyway, y'all, that's what I got. That's what I got for today. Is a small book haul. I'm recording this at night. You'll see it in the morning when I release it. But I wanted to share what I got. So that's it. Thanks, guys, for coming around, watching my video. If you like it, thumbs up. You ain't subscribed, subscribe. Click that little bell button so it go ding a ling, ding 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 when I upload a video. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good night or good day. Yeah, good day. Later.